Hello everyone, today we are gonna know how to use Firebase and how to connect it with the Android Studio. So let's get started. First, we have two ways to connect Firebase to the Android Studio. One is which we add manually to Android Studio, and one is which we use Firebase Assistant for it. So let's know about it. Let me search add Firebase to Android Studio. This one, okay, sorry. This one. Now look, here is option 1 for which we use add Firebase using Firebase console. And for this, what we would use first, we would create a Firebase project. So first step, let me create a project here. Now here I give a name. Let me give Fire1, mean Firebase 1, and it would automatically generate one unique identifier for your project. Click on continue here again click on continue, and here select an account, default account, here create project. Alright, this step is done. Now what is the next step? We would click on this Android icon here, click on this here, and this first one we are using manually add Firebase. We can also click on Android here, but if it does not appear here, so we will click on project setting and click on this Android here, and it requires package name here. So where we would get it here, build.gradle. And here you can see com.example.application ID. Let me copy it. Now here, paste it. And for this, it is optional, but we need it some time. So for this, what you have to do is from here, Gradle, click on this and sign in, record. Click enter here, and here we got this SHA1. So let me copy this, alright, and here paste it, okay. Click on register app. Now we got one JSON here. Let me copy download it. Desktop, Google Services, and click on next here. We have got it here. Let me copy it and go to Android Studio, and here go to project, and here in this app here we would paste. So okay, we got this here, okay. Alright, now what we have to do here, this is done, and this is done. Now what we have to add here is first add and build here. Click on this next and copy this build script, and in this build.gradle project module here, brackets, and then dependencies, then again brackets, and then copy this one here and paste it, and click on sync now. Done. And also add this one, copy this, and here come to this build.gradle module file, and below this ID here paste this one, and you would also get these two dependencies here. So paste it here, paste it here in this build.gradle module file, and also this one. Alright, now click on sync now again. Now click on next, and this is done. Continue console. Alright, and this is added to this Firebase. Firebase is added to this project. Alright, now the second options here. Look, we have added it. We have followed the same steps here. Now the second option, we will use Firebase Assistant for it. So for Firebase Assistant, how to use it? I have created two project here. Now this one, and let me create another project Fire2. Continue, select account, create project, continue. This is done here. Now what you have to do here, go to Android Studio. Here in this, what you have to do, go to this tools. Click on tools, click on Firebase. Alright, and now in this assistant here, if you want to add, let me add this real-time database. So click on this. First, click on get started with real-time database. Now connect to Firebase. Here, build this. This is building now. Now this is done, and here you can connect to Firebase. And here it will directly get here. You will click on this one here. Here this is this dialog is shown. Click on disconnect. Now this is done. Okay. Here add real-time database SDK and accept changes. Now this one is also run as connected, and as well as the dependencies are added. Here we can check here. This is also added. This one is also added, and these are also added. So this was all about how to connect a Firebase to Android Studio. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you find it helpful, so please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.